Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm gonna share with you a simple recipe to get rid of dark spot, hyperpigmentation, wrinkles, aging skin and all that. If you have acne as well or acne scars, this is very important. You should make sure that you watch this video to the end so you will benefit from it. So all you have to do is to be consistency. Consistency is the key, is all you need. You can apply it just one day and then let's just get started. Hey lovelies, welcome back to my video. In today's video I'm gonna share with you a very simple ingredient to get rid of your rough skin at home. So we're gonna be needing 3 teaspoons of plain yogurt. You can use any plain yogurt of your choice, but if you find Greek yogurt, it's very important and useful as well. But you can go ahead and make use of any plain yogurt of your choice. Okay, so I'm gonna be making use of 3 teaspoons of plain yogurt. Okay, so after that I will just go ahead and add my other baby, because this is one of my favorite as well. I love honey on my recipe, like my natural face mask or DIY. If honey is not among, I don't feel like it's complete. Okay, so I'll go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of honey as well. After that I'll just go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, but I'm gonna add it gradually because I don't want it should be more, or should be more on this recipe, because I don't need anything to stain my skin. So I'll just go ahead and add it gradually. So right now, after that, you go ahead and mix everything together, baby. So after mixing, if you find the color not beautiful as you want it, then go ahead and add more turmeric powder. Okay, like if you watch to this point, thank you for watching. God bless you. Please don't forget to kiss that red button, subscribe and turn on the bell icon, so whenever I upload a new video you'll be notified, darling. And don't forget to stay tuned. Okay, so I just added some turmeric powder because I found that colorful stuff right now. The color on it is very beautiful and attractive. So I just go ahead and mix all together, and then after mixing, all you have to do is to make sure that you wash your face, you clean up your makeup, make sure you take everything out from your skin. Okay, if you have dark spot, hyperpigmentation, dark circle, wrinkles as well, acne scars, even acne, this is gonna help you. But if you use it consistency and you are patient enough, this is gonna help you. Do you know what? Natural skin, let me put it this way, natural ingredients, using it on your skin, it's not that fast as you think. Okay, but it takes a gradual process, like it works slowly. Okay, it does not work faster, but if you're patient enough, you're gonna enjoy it and it will give your skin smooth and glowing. Okay, so I just go ahead and apply it to my face. After that I'll have to leave it, let it dry completely. Okay, you're not gonna give any minutes. It could take 10 minutes, it could take 20 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, but just apply it on your face and neck, and then allow it to dry for about 30 minutes. Okay, just allow it to dry on your skin completely. Do not hurry, or I don't know, but just allow it to dry on your skin. Okay, so this is me while waiting for it to dry. So I could not wait. I was just, oh, let it dry off because I have to take it off and go and shower. Okay, so right now, as you can see, I'm still waiting. So that is how you too, you're gonna wait, and then, so that is all for today's video. I hope you find it helpful. If you find it helpful, don't forget to kiss this video, like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to drop your comment if you have any question, and please subscribe to my channel. See you on my next video. Bye.